guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Marie. In this video, I am going to show you a very short tutorial on how to verify your Google Adsense PIN. It's very simple and easy. The first thing we need to do is we need to log in into our Google Adsense account. And I already have mine here, so I only need to enter my password. And then I need to click the next button. And we will be forwarded to our Google Adsense page. So this is how it looked like when I'm logged in. When Google Adsense had sent us the PIN, we automatically receive this kind of letter here, verify your billing address. So the only thing we need to do now is click verify, and we need to enter the 6 digits code we received from Google Adsense. And then after that, we have to click the submit button, and we're done. So if you enter the correct PIN, it will show up here, your billing address has been verified. It's very simple, right? If you like it, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions, and share it to your friends and family. Bye!